and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Crypto and Chai. In today's video, let me show you how to add USDT BEP20 token to your Metamask wallet in less than 2 minutes. A lot of folks face this. They were sent USDT on BSC network to their Metamask wallet address, but then they weren't able to see USDT. Let me show the steps here. First of all, open your Metamask and log into your Metamask, and in drop down select Smart Chain. If you haven't added Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet, you can check out another video of mine. I've mentioned the link of that in the description below. Now click on Import Token. It will ask for contract address. Give it as mentioned in the description below. Other fields like token symbol and token decimal will be autofilled. And now click on Done. That's it. Here is your USDT option and balance visible. Thank you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto and Chai. You can also join our Telegram and Twitter community. Our username is Crypto and Chai.